Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to report or flag a job seeker on Ziprecruiter. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ziprecruiter employer account, which of course I've done right here. I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. It's AI match and find and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to report or flag a job seeker or a candidate on Ziprecruiter. So from your homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have the dashboard, jobs, candidates, invite to apply, resume database, messages, help, and activate. So go ahead and click on candidates. Now I'd like you to know that if you're using the free version of Ziprecruiter like me, you will not be able to access the features in your candidate page. So head over to try premium for free to subscribe to the premium version. And after doing that, you can now head over to candidates and it's going to take you to all the features available in your candidate page. So let's say you have subscribed and you head over to candidate and you click on candidate. Here is what you are going to see. You're going to see a list of your candidates on the candidates page. So select the candidates that you want to flag. Click on the candidate's name and you're going to be redirected to a page that displays the candidate's information. So once you get to that page, on the right side of your page, select the option. You're going to select the three dots menu at the right corner, top right corner of the screen. Select the three dots menu option to view the drop down menu. Now, once you select that, this is what you're going to find. Email candidate, forward candidate, download resume, print page, print resume PDF, open a new window, hide candidate, and report candidate. Now select report candidate. After you select report candidate, a pop-up will appear asking for further information. And from the drop-down menu, select the reason for reporting the candidate. It's important that you also provide a brief description in the comment section. All reported candidates are reviewed by our Trust and Safety Department, and a detailed report will assist them greatly with their investigation. So select the green Send to Customer Support button when you're done adding your comments. So once you click on the Send to Customer Support button, that's going to be it. If you have any further questions or concerns regarding the candidate profile, please do not hesitate to contact Trust and Safety team for Ziprecruiters via email by clicking on this hyperlink, trustandsafety@ziprecruiter.com. Or you can enter it in a new tab, or you can just enter it from your email account. So this is pretty much how to report or flag a job seeker on Ziprecruiter. Now I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.